Hey there guys, this is going to be the second tutorial of the Wireshark tool. In this video, we will be seeing how to capture network traffics in Wireshark. So firstly, let us see what is capture drive. So basically, without the capture drive, you can capture the packets. So in the Wireshark tool, the capture drives come pre-installed. So you don't have to worry about the installation process. You can find the capture drive, what capture drive you are using. You can just go to the help and go to the about Wireshark. And you can see that I'm using the npcap version 1.55. So without the npcap, I can capture the packets. And let us see what is capture interface. So basically what you are seeing, as soon as you open your Wireshark tool, what you are seeing is called the capture interface. And now let us do some configuration in the capture interface. To do some configuration in the capture interface, you can see over here all interface has been shown. So you can just click on here and you can unselect which network you can unselect some of the networks. So my recommendation is keep your capture interface very clean so that you know in which network you are working on. So I am currently working on the wireless network, so I'll uncheck the virtual and the wired networks. So I can see that the wireless network is over here. And also we can do some configuration, the capture interface configuration from the capture option. So you can see a settings option over here and it is called as the capture option. So you can just click on it and you can find manage interface. And you can unselect which networks you don't want. You can unselect and you can just click OK. And then you can see only the selected networks. So this is how to do some configuration in your capture interface. And also I have given a detailed information on how to do capture configuration in the capture interface. So you can take a look at it, and I have given a link to this blog post. Now let us see what is promiscuous mode. So you can find the promiscuous mode from the capture option. Go to the settings option and you can find a small a box and it says that enable promiscuous mode on all interface. And my recommendation is just select it. Let us see what is promiscuous first of all. So the promiscuous mode, which allows all the traffics to the Wireshark. So if you unselect the promiscuous mode, most probably the Wireshark will be filtering the networks. Next, let us see how to configure the outputs. So most probably we will be configuring the outputs for long term. So you can configure the outputs from you can just go to the settings option again, and again it is not the settings option, it is the capture option. And you can just go to the outputs and you can select which file, in which file you want to save a particular document. So I will be saving in the data D, and let me name it as file 23 and save. So I have created a file, and the output formats are in two types, that is the pcap png and the pcap. So I have explained what is I have explained the output format, the pcap png and the pcap in the previous video, that is in the dumpcap video. So check it out, and that video will be in the sniffing and spoofing playlist. You can check that. And then we are setting the ring buffer. So basically the ring buffer is for long term purpose. So if you are running the Wireshark for a long term, so long term means you are running like an hour or more than 10 hours, you can use this option. So you can just select the kilobytes. So after every 500 kilobytes, so let me set it to megabytes. So after 500 MB of, let me select to ZZip, and let us select the ring buffer to 10. So after 500 MB of 10 files, the capture will be stopped, the packet capture will be stopped, and the compression I have set it to ZZip, or you can just leave it as it is. So I prefer to set it as ZZip because the packet capturing will be tons of files, so you'll be having your hardware will be loaded up with files. So make sure you set the compression to the ZZip. So basically what I have done is after 500 MB of 10 files, the capture will be stopped. So that's it guys, and let us do some capturing. So I have clicked on the Wi-Fi and go to the outputs and let us give start. So this is how to capture the packets in Wireshark. So we have seen how to capture the packets in Wireshark, and let us go to the file explorer and see the file. So I have saved in the data D, and we can see the file over here. So after 10 files of 500 MB, the packet capturing will be stopped. So that's why we have set that configuration. And yeah, that's it guys. So that's it. So let me summarize what we have seen in this video. So in this video we have seen what is capture drive. So basically without the capture drive we can't capture the packets. So only with the capture drive you can see that I am capturing all these packets. And then we have seen about the capture interface. And then we have seen how to configure the capture interface, and also we have seen the promiscuous mode. The promiscuous mode which allows all the traffics without filtering. And then finally we have seen how to set up the outputs, and also we have seen how to capture the traffics, how to capture the traffics or the packets. So I hope this video will be helpful for you guys, and so make sure to give a like and subscribe to our channel. See you in next video guys.